welcome everybody. Welcome to our Tuesday Market Watch. Welcome, my name is Mbogam Tiana, the CEO and founder of the International School of Traders. If you can hear me loud and clear, just drop it in the chat, drop it in the comments. And also, if you're seeing this on our YouTube, please do like and subscribe to this channel. It's more content that we are bringing to this channel. Okay, awesome stuff, guys. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Let's get started with our trading session, right? I didn't want to hold this session at 12:30 or 12, but I am forced because I do have a one-on-one session coming up. Yeah. So there's a couple of things that are going on in the market today. Let's go. I do also have a competition running. I have a competition running, so I'm gonna explain that competition later, how you can get your free course and stuff. Okay, cool stuff. I'm gonna start off with the news items that we have today. We're gonna start off with what has already happened. We know that we have the composite PMI that was announced an hour ago, and also the manufacturing PMI, so this is PMI, and also that is coming from Britain, and the other one is coming from Germany and France, right? We are also expecting that later on coming from the US, especially the market composite PMI at 16:45, that is 5:45 South African time, and then manufacturing PMI, yeah, that's all the same times later on today that we are looking at. So, and then at 3:30, we're going to have profit quarter-on-quarter coming from what is this? Coming from Canada. And then we do have the interest rate decision in Nigeria, but we're not trading the Nigerian Naira. But this is kind of interesting. I'm going to share with you today the post of how we're looking at the interest rates this upcoming months. What I'm thinking actually. I'm going to share the post later on. But to be honest with you, we saw the South African government last week starting to raise interest rates. And I believe this is because of the high inflation that we are having in the country. The US, I think the US is going to follow suit in other countries that have high interest, that have high inflation rates actually. These couple of months that we had, let me just say years, a couple of years since we had COVID, because we're close to 2 years now. Okay, cool. So let's get into the markets. Let us see what the market has for us. Let's start off with something very beautiful, which is XAUSD. XAUSD is one of the trades for setup that we did look at yesterday, last week. And I did mention that we were only targeting this zone right here. This is the zone we were targeting on XAUSD when we were selling. Unfortunately, some people got taken out and never came back. But I did come back. I think a couple of people also in the group did come back to this trade. Market went down. But okay, market was expected to change direction from here. You remember the trading alert that I said with you last week to say set up your trading alert. Then we started taking some sales here. The market went actually way down. This is our target. And then I saw some people also taking more sales yesterday. I'm interested downside. This was a beautiful trade. And I believe that anytime from now, we should expect anything looking like this. Please do excuse me. Something looking like this on XAUSD. And this may be our first target. And probably if market does this, this should be our second target, right? This right here is our second target. Okay, cool. This is our first target and second target. We're not taking a trade yet since we don't have a confirmation yet. We're just waiting to see if we do have confirmation in this kind of a market. And to get that confirmation, we have to pay special attention to this zone that I've marked out here. This is a very special zone. Looking in the past, look at what the market did here. Market used it as a support zone. So probably the market is going to come and rest above this area, which is 1789. And then from them, we can start looking to take some buy. Probably today, probably not today. We'll see what the market has for us. USD CAD is on the trade or setups that I've been looking at for quite a while now, and market has been pushing towards the top side. And one of the key areas, okay, I remember I took a buy here, and then I took my profit early in this market, and then well, it happens, guys. Sometimes you take a profit early. It's good. It's part of the game. At least you took something out of the trade. Don't cry. Do not beat yourself up. So one of the one of the most beautiful areas here is this one right here. So this is the area that I am looking at. Okay, cool. So this is the area that I'm looking at. Market to come and change direction and then start changing towards the downside. So this is what's going on. This is cool stuff. Okay, cool stuff. I hope everything is hope you guys can hear me. This is my expectation on USD CAD. Okay, cool. We are going to look into this trade throughout the day today, and then start. Let's print some trading alerts here. Let's print some trading alerts. So yeah, so these are trading alerts. The market reaches this area, we are going to be alerted, and then what's going on. So USD we've discussed, USD CAD we've discussed. Euro USD, I actually don't have an idea at the moment. Okay. USD CHF, I do not have an idea there. So GBP USD, and on GBP USD also, I do not have an idea yet. I'm going to share it later. And then on USD JPY, we actually faced a resistance today, earlier today. This was an area of resistance that we had. The market has seen resistance, and probably we are going to have markets going further and further towards the top side, like 117, depending on how the market is feeling. But I believe that is possible later on, right? Cool. I'm looking at USD JPY as you are requesting. Right. Okay, what I can see is this right here. And probably what is about to happen from here is something more of this nature. And my target can only be this one right here. Straight. Target can only be this one, which is approximately approximately 100 pips from there. So yeah, let's watch this trade. I think I should put in alerts this area. I'm having many alerts in. Cool. Let's see. Yeah, I think we are seeing the right way. Let's see how things turn out today. Thank you for that. And then let's see. Okay, cool. I'm not yet done. I'm still going to continue. There's a couple of trades that I want to discuss. But if you are seeing this on our YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe to this channel. And then, yeah, we also do have a competition that I'm going to talk about later on this trading session, right? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So, you should be friend. I think that's doing something stuff. As we're looking at a bearish market here, bearish market with the market in this particular case should continue towards the downside, like just that this is a late entry if you were to take a sell, unless you find the perfect entry in smaller time frames. Yeah, at the moment I don't see a reason why should do that. Okay, this is looking good. This is AUD and VT. One of the trades that we spoke about last week or something like that. This trade is creating something that is so this is a trend line. Trend lines may work and not work sometimes. Okay, cool. Something like this is possible. If this doesn't happen, then we're going to have something like this. Let's pay special attention on these areas. These areas, this area is actually one of the most beautiful areas that you need to pay special attention to. This area right here is a very big area, right? And remember the liquidity providers around these areas, right? Remember the liquidity providers. They want you to take a trade, and then they take you out and then change direction. Then they take you out and then continue in the direction where you're supposed to go. And by that time, you already have given up. And that is what we're always seeing each and every day. Okay, cool. I think I still need to do my research on this one on CAT CHF, like a deeper research analysis, something like that. And then we have the South African rand versus the dollar. I don't see a way out. South Africa is. Okay, some of you who came last week remember that we spoke about this trade, which is US30. I said US30, according to what US30 is doing, US30 is expected to come and bounce in this area, even drew some of the things. Somebody requested that, I don't remember who that person was. And, this was also one of the areas we were looking at to say market and change direction from here, right? Good stuff. The buy is good, but if we take a buy here, we should know it's a little bit riskier. You know, this should be the case if you're taking the buy now, but I'm waiting to take a buy a little bit lower than this, right? Yeah, that's how I'm lining up myself on this trade, which is your 30. And then, okay, I'm still looking if we can have the trade price. Then last week, I sent out a signal on this trade to say let's buy. I think we hit take profit or something like that. I don't remember very well. We closed with profit, something like that nature, right? Did happen. At the moment, there's nothing to talk about. GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is actually one of the trades that I've been talking about for quite a number of days now. And it actually, it's one of my favorite spots. Looking at the indicator strategy that I spoke to you about, we are at a very, very strong support, which is going to be very hard for markets to take this support right here. So the expectation should be something like this on GBP JPY. GBP JPY, this is what I'm seeing. Maybe if you're not seeing that, well, this should have been a buy here. Okay, let's see how market reacts around these structures here. You know what I don't like about this market is what I'm seeing here. When it goes down like this. I don't like the way the market went down. Even NASDAQ, I think NASDAQ is coming down for some beautiful reasons. If you pay special attention, you might find an entry. So another entry that is going to help us with all. I think that comfortable with this now. Korea, April. Okay, nothing much from here. I will be discussing some other trades this afternoon. I'll be talking about the NASDAQ strategy tonight on Zoom, International School of Traders. Tonight on Zoom, I'll be talking about the strategy. And then let's talk about the competition. So I'm having a competition. Many people have been talking to me. I think you guys are going to enjoy. Somebody spoke to me saying thank you for some free stuff. It's giving us. So I'm giving on. So some of you who know me know that I give out free courses almost every month. Last month there was somebody. I don't know if she's here. She got a free course. She came to the office and she won that free course. If she's here, can you please comment and just say, hey, that's okay, cool. And then every month we give at least one person, we're trying, one person free course, and we're giving you guys okay, cool. So we're giving one person a free course. The competition is up on Telegram. Just go and follow the instruction. What are the instruction? You go first, like the Facebook page, and number two, you share to at least five groups. Just sharing the knowledge, blah blah blah. And then After sharing that post, one person will be chosen as a winner. That person is the person who has shared to most groups, right? We've had this competition for a number of times. We've been seeing people winning, and it's so simple. What you need to send to us a screenshot or a screen record of you posting to those particular groups. Now, the person who has shared to a lot of groups, then the other is the one who's going to win. And then I will announce the winner tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the evening tomorrow, right? Good stuff. So that's what's up. And then number 2, after a strategy session today evening, tonight actually, is going to come this coming Wednesday, what are days in the week, guys? Okay, cool. Saturday. We've got Saturday. I want to have a 2-hour session where I am going deeper into the market with the International School of Traders. And if you don't know anything, this is going to be an online conference, right? This is going to be an online conference. And I believe, I saw people asking me about the Black Friday special, blah, blah, blah. And I believe that you guys are gonna get the information later on today. What about Black Friday, blah, blah, blah. We're gonna give you guys a special, Black Friday special, and then you're gonna enjoy that and have some, and come and trade with us. There is a video that I posted right now on Telegram. Just go and be inspired by that video. Somebody who came in last year, they are now building a house through their Forex profits. Within the International School of Traders. That's one of my students. So be inspired, be inspired, be inspired. There's a lot of ways to kill a cat. There's a lot of strategies. There's a lot of things that we have that we can cater for you guys wherever you are in the world. We are catering for each and every person. One-on-one sessions, online courses, physical courses, and then later on this week, I will give you guys a day for our next conference, and also the day the International School of Traders is closing for December holidays, right? The school holidays, blah blah. But there's some operations won't be continuing. Some things, there are things that we won't be doing during December, but some will be continuing. We'll be continuing some of the things. Because the market is open, just that it's banking holiday, the banks are closed, but we will still be trading for that net, right? So we are going to be keeping some operations in place. Okay, cool stuff. I hope you enjoyed. If you've seen this on our YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. You guys can see my background. I'm also, that mindset now to say, summertime, festive, fair. Okay, see you guys on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only Shalom.